Unit 2 ARM7 based microcontroller part 5. So we have seen some types of the data processing instructions. Now the remaining one we will see. First is arithmetic. We have seen in the last lecture shifted register operands and register movement operations. Now we will see arithmetic instructions. Now these instructions perform binary arithmetic on 32-bit operand. The operand may be unsigned or 2's complement signed integers. The instructions are, so for the syntax for add and subtraction is given here. So it consists of instruction, then condition, and then registers. Now the instructions are ADC, that is add two 32-bit values and carry. So we can write it as RD is equal to Rn plus N plus carry. Next is add, that is add two 32-bit values. ADC means two 32-bit values plus carry, and only add means only add two 32-bit values. Next is RSB. So RSB is reverse subtract of two 32-bit values. RSC means reverse subtract with carry of two 32-bit values. SBC means subtract with carry of two 32-bit values, while SUB is only subtraction of two 32-bit values. So here syntax is given in that we have considered two registers RD and Rn and N. So, or we can see any register R. So first RD is destination, Rn is operand 1 and N is operand 2. So the first instruction ADC, that is add 32-bit value and carry, so we can write the answer will go into the destination register. So here destination register is RD, so it is equal to R plus N plus carry. If the instruction is only add, then RD is equal to Rn plus N. If the instruction is RSB, that is reverse subtract of two 32-bit, then RD is equal to, as it is reverse, so N minus Rn, and RSC is reverse subtract with carry, so N minus Rn minus of carry flag. SPC is subtract with carry of two 32-bit values, so it is Rn minus N minus carry flag. Here there is no reverse, it is only subtract with carry and without carry, that is normal subtraction. So SPU is subtract two 32-bit values, so RD is equal to Rn minus N. So we can remember add is simple addition, ADC is add with carry, subtraction is simple subtraction, SBC is SBC is subtract with carry, RSC is RSB is reverse subtract, and RSC is reverse subtract with carry. So we can see here add R0, R1, R2. So for this is simple addition, so destination register here is R0, so R0 is equal to R1 plus R2. Now second is ADC R0, R1, R2. Destination register is R0, so output will store in R0. So ADC, that is add with carry, so R1 plus R2 plus carry, and this answer is stored into R0. Next is subtraction, sub R0, R1, R2. So R0 is equal to R1 minus R2. Next SBC, R0, R1, R2. SBC means with carry, so it is minus C. RSB is R0, R1, R2, so it is reverse subtraction, so it is R2 minus R1, and reverse subtraction with carry, so it is RSC, R2 minus R1 minus carry. If the value of sum is less than equal to 255, sorry, greater than equal to 255, if the value of sum is greater than 255, then carry C is 1, and if sum is less than equal to 255, then it is borrow. So if R0 value is this, R1 value is this, and R2 here R0, R1, R2 values are given. Subtraction instruction we have to operate. So subtraction R0, R1, R2. So in R0 final output will be stored, and it is a it is a similar normal subtraction. So R0 is equal to R1 minus R2. So this is the value. Next is R0, R1 is given, and RSB, that is reverse subtract, we have to apply. So it is and data 0 is given. So reverse subtract means #0 data minus R1. So here reverse subtraction takes place. Next is logical operation. So bitwise logical operations. The logical operation, the syntax is given here: instruction, condition, and registers. So first logical operation is AND. AND means logical bitwise AND of two 32-bit values OR is logical bitwise OR of 232 values. EOR is logical exclusive OR of 232, and BIC is logical bit clear and not. So logical bit clear. So BIC stands for bit clear, where 1 in the second operand clears the corresponding bit in the first EOR is nothing but XOR operation. So here AND register RD is destination register. So ANDing of Rn and N will takes place and answer is stored in RD. ORing of Rn and N takes place stored in RD. EOR is exclusive OR of Rn and N takes place and it is stored in RD. And final is logical bit clear, that is no and not. That is, here in the second operand it clear the corresponding bit in the first EOR. So and R0, R1, R2. If this equation is there, then R0 is equal to R1 and R2. Or R0, R1, R2, R0 is destination, so R0 is equal to R1 or R2. Similarly, R0 equal to R1 XOR R2. And last one is R1 and minus of R2. Now this is bit clear. R2 is mask identifying which bits of R1 will be cleared to 0. So what is R2? It is a mask identifying which bits of R1 will be cleared to 0. So if R1 is given and R2 is also given and BIC instruction is applied, then R0 is equal to, here every one bit in the second operand clear the corresponding bit in the first. Every one bit in second operand. So here 1 in second operand, that is R2, will clear the corresponding bit in the first. So here the last bit is 1, here it is 0 in R0. In R2 it is 0, 1, 1, 0. Here it is 1, 1, 0, 0, R2. So R0 will be 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 0, 0. Next is, if the value of R0 and if the value of R0, R1 and R2 is given, and we have to apply the OR operation. So OR means addition. So we have to apply the addition. So it is R0 is equal to R1 plus R2. So it is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So next is BIC. BIC means what? Bit clear. So R0 is equal to R1 not of R2. So what happened here? R2 is here 0, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, it is 0. Next type is comparison operations. Now these instructions do not generate a result but set the conditions code bit NZCV in CPSR. Often a branch operations follow to change the program flow. So syntax for this is given here. It is instruction, condition, Rn and n. So for comparison, there are variety of instructions. CMP, that is compare negated. CMP is compare. Normal comparison is CMP and CMN is compare negated. Next is TEQ is test for equality of. Test for equality of two 32-bit values, and TST is test bit of 32-bit values. So CMP is normal comparison or compare. CMN is compare negated. TEQ is test equality and TST is test bits of 32-bit. Now for compare negated, the flag set as a result of Rn plus n. For normal comparison, flag sets the result of Rn minus n. For TST, flag sets as Rn and n, and for TEQ it sets Rn n. Now TST means it stands for bit test, and TEQ it stands for test equal. Now we consider CMP R1 R2. So set CC on R1 minus R2. If CMN R1 R2, then set CC on R1 plus R2. For compare set CC on R1 minus R2. For compare negated, it is set CC on R1 plus R2. Next bit test means set CC on R1 and R2, that is ANDing operation takes place in the bit test, and TEQ tests equal is set CC on R1 XOR R2, that is XOR operation takes place. Next is pre CPSR, that is compare previous values and the next values. So previously the R0 is 4, Rn is 4, and compare R0 R9. R9 is 4, okay, and so for CMP, normal CMP, we do the subtraction. So it is 4 minus 4 and CPSR values. Next is the multiplication. So syntax for the multiplication is given here. MLA condition and registers MUL condition register. Now MLA means multiply and accumulate. MUL means normal multiply and MLA is multiply plus and multiply and accumulate. Now if MUL instruction takes place, then it is normal, that is RD is equal to RM into RS, and if MLA, that is multiply and accumulate, takes place, then RD is equal to RM into RS plus RN, that is multiplication of RM and RS plus RN. Next syntax for sign multiply, next syntax is given here. It is sign SMLAL, sign multiply accumulate long, sign multiply long, unsigned multiply accumulate long, and unsigned multiply long. So there are some important differences from the other arithmetic instruction. That first is immediate second operand are not supported. The result register must not be same as the first source register. If the S bit is set, the V flag is preserved and the C flag is rendered meaningless. Multiplication of two 32-bit integer give 64-bit result. The least significant 32-bit of which are placed in the result register and the rest are ignored. So if the multiplication R0, R1, R2, then R0 is equal to R1 into R2 bits 0 to 31. So features are second operand cannot be immediate. The result register must be different from the first operand. The cycle depends on the core type, and if S bit is set, then C flag is meaningless. So next is multiply accumulate 2D array indexing. Multiply accumulate is MLA. So MLA R4, R3, R2, R1. So R4 is the destination register. So R4 is equal to R3 into R2 plus R1. That is multiply accumulate. Now multiply with a constant can often be more efficiently implemented using a shifted register operand. So move R1 hash 35, multiply R2, R0, R1. Or add R0 5 into R0. Now next is multiply instruction. Previous values R0, R1, R2. So R0 is equal to R1 into R2. So it is 4. Similarly, here previous values are given, and after applying the instruction, next values are given. Next is flow control instructions. Now the flow control instruction, it simply determine which instructions get executed next. What is flow control instruction? It simply determine which instructions get executed next. Now it has a branch instruction and Conditional branch instruction. So branch instructions are used to transfer the control for execution from one location to another. The branch instructions are the instructions which are used to transfer the control for execution from one location to another. So for example, B level dot dot level. Conditional branch instruction means it is used to control the loop exit. It is used to control loop exit. The branch is associated with a condition and it is executed only when the condition code have the correct value. Branch means these are used to transfer the control of execution from one location to another, and conditional branch means it is used to control the loop exit. So it is associated with a condition and it is executed only when the condition code have the correct value. So here move r0 #0 loop add r0 #1 cmp r0 10 and bne loop. Now we will see all this. Now EQ means equal, NE is not equal. Now during these condition flags, for EQ, that is for equal, the condition flag used is Z. For not equal, it is small z. For carry set or unsigned higher or same, the C condition flag, that is carry condition flag, is used. The carry clear, unsigned clear, small c. Next is minus or negative. Next is MI is minus or negative. PL is plus or positive or 0. Next is overflow, that is VS. So it is condition flag is V. Next is VC is no overflow. Next HI unsigned higher, unsigned lower or same, sign greater than or equal, sign less than, sign greater than, sign less than or equal, and always. So next is the branch conditions. So for branch condition there are variety of branches like B, BLL, BQ and so on. So first we will see branch. In branch it is B. Interpretation is unconditional and normal uses always take this branch. Second is BAL, that is always take this branch. Next is BEQ, that is equal, so comparison equal or 0 result. BNE is not equal, comparison not equal or non-zero result. Next is BPL, that is plus, result positive or 0. BMI is minus, result minus or negative. BCC is carry clear, arithmetic operation did not give carry out. Next is BLO, that is lower, unsigned comparison gave lower. BCS is carry set, arithmetic operation gave the carry out. BHS is higher or same, unsigned comparison give higher or same. BVC is overflow clear, sign higher comparison, BVC is overflow clear, it is sign integer operation, no overflow occurred. BVS is overflow set, sign integer operation, overflow occurred. BGT is greater than, sign integer comparison gave greater than. BGE is greater or equal, BLT is less than, BLE is less or equal, BHI is higher, BLS is less or same. So conditional execution applies not only to the branch instructions but to all ARM instructions. The conditional execution is invoked by adding two-letter condition after the three-letter opcode. Now ARM offers the functionality through the branch and link instruction which perform the branch operation as well as it saves the address of the instruction following the branch in the link register R4. So BL is the instruction save the return address to R14. BL. So BL sub, that is subtraction, CMP R1 R5 return to here and move EQ R1 . So move PC LR at return. So value of LR will save into the PC. Next is BL sub 1. So BL subtraction 1. So here sub 1, that is subtraction 1 and 2 is given. So it is R0 minus R2 comma R14. Now conditional execution. This sub 1 means subroutine return instruction. To get back to the calling routine, the value saved by the branch and the link instruction in R14 must be copied back into the program counter. So what is this? Here, to get back to the calling routine, the value saved by the branch and the link instruction in R14 must be copied back into the program counter. So conditional execution, CMP R0 #5 BEQ bypass if R0 is equal to 5. Add R1. So R1 is here destination register, so it is equal to add R1 plus R0 minus R2 subtraction. So next is bypass CMP R0 #5 smaller and faster, that is comparison. If the conditional sequence is 3 instruction or less, it is better to use a conditional execution than branch. So this is all about the data processing instruction and control flow instruction. Now the one type is remaining, that is data transfer instruction. So what is, which we will see it in next lecture. So we have seen the data processing instruction. What is data processing means? Here the ARM data processing instruction enable the programmer to perform arithmetic and logical operations on data values in the registers. The data processing instructions are the only instructions which modifies the data values. And the control flow means, here the instruction control flow instructions transfer the execution to different address, either permanently or saving a return address to resume the original response. So we have to remember this for branches, that EQ is equal, BAL is, B is unconditional, BAL is always, that is always take this branch. BQ is equal, that is comparison equal or zero result. Next BN is not equal, that is comparison not equal or non-zero result. Next is BPL, that is plus, result positive or zero. BMI is, M is minus, so result minus or negative. BCC is carry clear, arithmetic operation did not give carry out. BLO is lower, unsigned comparison gave lower. BCS is carry set, arithmetic operation gave carry out. BHS is higher or same, unsigned comparison gave the higher or same. BVC overflow clear, signed integer operation no overflow occurred. BVS is overflow set, signed integer operation overflow occurred. BGT is greater than, signed integer comparison gave greater than. BGE is greater or equal, signed integer comparison gave greater or equal. BLT is less than, so the integer comparison gave less than. BL is less or equal, so comparison gave less than or equal. Next is BHI, that is higher, so unsigned comparison gave higher. And last is BLS, that is lower or same, that is unsigned comparison gave lower or same. Thank you.